The forest trembles. Good.
2 travelers, egg, 1 hunter. I'll keep watch.
You don't have to be afraid. I heard you coming. The forest talks to me at night.
Listen before you step. The stones remember paths. They speak in silence if it hides secrets older than all of us. And tonight, it wants to show you something. I hear whispers, not wind.
Stay close, Panda. Something's watching.
I heard crying. Farther in. It wasn't human.
If someone is crying in there, we can't ignore it. I don't care how dark that forest gets, no one should be alone.
I didn't dare go alone. Something is calling for help, but something else is watching it.
No one should be alone in fear. We move together. If danger is waiting, we face it side by side. That direction isn't safe. I know these tracks. Something heavy passed through here. And this faint sound Tanya heard? So, they're heading into the deepest part of the forest.
Perfect. I'll make sure they don't come out the same way.
You want fear, Shere Khan, but you'll only see strength tonight. If you come for one of us, you face all of us.
I'm small, but I won't let you hurt her. The forest has chosen to stand with you.
But it never does this without a reason.
This power does not rise without waking something else, something that has slept for ages.
This sound, it belongs to the old spirits of the forest. They warn only when something powerful awakens.
This isn't the forest helping us. It's warning us. Something else is waking up.
Leave, or be claimed by the darkness that wakes with me.
Everyone, move back! The forest is breaking open! We have to get away from those cracks!
Run! Don't stop! These cracks are following us! Barbie, this path wasn't here before. The forest wants us to go in.
It closed behind us, which means something inside this path wants us here.
This is no path. It's a prison. And whatever is trapped behind that door has stopped sleeping.
No, this seal was never meant to break. We must be ready for whatever steps out.
Barbie, move! That thing is breaking free! It's gaining on us. We have to jump.
Hurry, jump now!
Go! Don't look back! The tunnel is falling apart!
You opened my prison with your fear, and now you will open the rest! Panda, don't stop! Whatever this light is, it's helping us. It stopped! The forest protected us. You didn't just save the panda. You saved all of us.
We made it, Barbie. The forest feels happy again.
The forest is safe again. Ooh, and it's thanking us.